Do you want to set your Windows 11 in the language you prefer? Today, I will show you how to do it, step by step, fast, and without mistakes. Let's go. First, press the Windows key and the letter I to open Settings. Open the option Time and Language, then select Language and Region. Next, choose Add a Language. Type the language you want. For example, Spanish from Spain or English from the United States. Check the boxes you need: display language, voice, handwriting, and more. Click Next. Select Set as Windows Display Language, then click Install. The system will ask you to sign out and sign back in to apply the changes. If you also want to change the format of date, time, and currency, open the option Country or Region in the same window. Done! You have changed the language of your entire Windows 11. If you want more practical tutorials, subscribe and turn on the bell.